Okay, thank you for coming in, Mr. Keefe.
My pleasure.
If you could please tell us what your top 3 issues are and why.
Okay, my top 3 issues I think that need to be addressed. Number 1 is the caseload discrepancy between the Place 2 and the Place 1 Justice of the Peace Court. When you look at the data from the Texas Court's website for 2019, there's way too many cases being handled in Place 2 versus Place 1. So we need to find out why that's happening. It needs to be addressed, and then hopefully we can get that solved where the caseload is a little more equitably distributed between the 2 justices of the peace. This is a very busy precinct, and it's way too much of a caseload for one justice of the peace to handle. So that needs to be addressed first. My second issue is I'm a firm believer in any political person needs to be out in the public with his constituency. I think that applies to the justice of the peace, especially to the entities that are most likely to have business before the court: law enforcement, first responders, property owners, property managers, hospital staff, hospice care. The folks that are going to deal a great deal with the court need to get out in front of them, and I mean meeting them face to face so they can know me personally, and then also have confidence in my abilities to handle their cases well in court. And probably lastly, staff training. I'm a big believer that staff should be not only well trained but cross trained, so if someone's out sick or on vacation, the office continues to run. And when the public walks into your office, they need to have the confidence to know that their case is going to be handled in an expeditious manner. So first and foremost, let's address the equitable caseload distribution, get that squared away. Secondly, I'll be out in the public. I'll be meeting with the entities most likely to deal with this, and then lastly, I'll make sure that staff are properly trained to handle the caseloads here in the office.
Okay, and the second question we have is, name one thing that you would like to accomplish within the first year if you are elected.
I think the first priority really needs to be make sure we establish a professional working relationship with the Justice of the Peace in Place 2, Judge Bill Cook. You know, the 3 things I want to address won't happen if we don't have a cordial and professional relationship working with the other Justices of the Peace. It's important that we work well together, but it's most important that he is an invaluable resource. He is the senior most Justice of the Peace in Bell County. So I'd be remiss in my duties if I didn't take advantage of his experience and his knowledge and work with him. And it's going to be necessary to accomplish the other issues I want to accomplish.